Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best budget dashcam in 2019. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. EOS FHD 10-inch dashcam. Rearview mirror, suitable for all vehicles with mirror. Full HD 1080p video quality. 10.0-inch touch-IPS super screen display. Front 2 megapixel plus rear 1 megapixel. Basic features: G sensor, cycle recording, motion detection, parking monitor, time and data display, wide dynamic range, picture-in-picture display, on/off automatically. Dual camera simultaneously recording. This car DVR has cameras that allows for simultaneously recording videos from 2 different angles. Real-time display reverse parking view. Loop cycle recording. When the TF card is full, it will automatically delete former video and keep recording all the time. Number 4. Jansite Video Recorder Dashcam. Brand name: Jansite. 10-IPS HD touchscreen, 10-inch touchscreen, more convenient to operate. You can vary fast operation of the car camera. Screen viewing angle adjustable. You can adjust the appropriate angle of view by long pressing the screen and moving your finger up and down. Gently swipe to switch views. You can switch views by swiping your finger left or right. It contains 3 views: front view, rear view, front and rear view. The streaming rear view mirror uses full screen instead of the original viewing mirror. Support night vision function, using a large aperture night vision lens, while the camera chip built-in night vision processing function. Number 3. Xiaomi 70Mi Dashcam. Xiaomi 70Mi Dashcam for driving recording. Intelligent voice control. Smart voice interaction, recording becomes more simple. 1920x1080p Full HD, aperture 2.2. Sony IMX307 high sensitivity image sensor. 130-degree field of view and HD night vision. Built-in G sensors for auto emergency recording. Mobile app, Android 6.0 above, iOS, control. App name, 70Mi, English. App language, English, Russian, Japanese, Korean. Free Wi-Fi, support video review and download. Number 2. 70Mi Dashcam. Brand name, 70Mi. Model number, mid-drive D08. Annular breathing lamp. 3 colors display the record status. The 70Mi Dashcam need only with TF card that can work with storage for video. Without bias control. App supports 2 languages, English/Russian. 70Mi Dashcam Lite plus GPS module, for speed and GPS coordinates function. Due to the G sensor technology, 70Mi Dashcam can automatically start recording when collision detected. 24-hour parking monitor. WDR technology can adjust exposure balance, enabling the camera to pick up greater detail in darkness and highlights. 130-degree wide angle. 130-degree wide angle allows a larger viewing angle to be recorded, and enables drivers to see 4 lanes of traffic. Image sensor IMX307 Super HD night vision. Number 1. Jado DVR Dash Camera. Brand name, Jado. Rear lens f1.8 larger aperture, 2 140-degree wide-angle cameras. The wide-angle lens shows a distance closer than the actual distance. Resolution front: 1920 by 1080p, rear: 1280 by 720p. Touchscreen, high sensitivity capacitive touchscreen. Streaming media rearview mirror. 2 power supply methods. Store, TF card store, class 10, 4 to 128 GB. D820S soft light stream mirror, 10-inch full screen, aluminum alloy overall die casting shell. Adjust angle of rear camera on screen. You can easily adjust the angle of front rear camera by sliding your finger. Standard streaming media main trend of the future. Excellent night vision video effect. 24-hour parking monitoring, need PC to activate. G sensor 3-axis gravity sensing. Full screen reversing image.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And this video helpful to you. Please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this in future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.